That's cool.
Well, how about a little weather demonstration, how we create rain for Phil? We have a series of above-the-ground sprinkler systems that shoots the water straight up into the air, and it falls down naturally, looking like rain. Well, folks, this is an awful lot of rain, and with this much rain, there is bound to be a flash flood.
Can you push it right?
Lady Gaga was washed away by the flash flood in her music video for the song Judas. And we create our flash flood by storing thousands of gallons of recycled water in tanks at the top of